Herman Mashaba and Action SA have announced Xolani Khumalo, famously for the Zoktola show on Moja Love, which deals with fighting the drugs. They've announced him as their mayor candidate in the Ekurhuleni Metro. Let us listen to this clip.
The greatest criminals are not hiding in shadows. The greatest criminals are in government offices. From the ANC to the DA and their so-called GNU, the failed establishment parties are all the same. They came to put South Africans first, but yet they just shield and collaborate with their criminals, and they destroy our future by putting themselves and their interests first. These politicians are in bed with the gangsters who terrorize our streets. They open our borders and allow lawlessness to go unchallenged.
Okay, guys. So Action SA, as you guys would know, that South Africa is gearing up for the local government elections that will take place either late 2026 or early 2027. Okay, so Action SA has announced its mayoral candidate in the city of Ekurhuleni, the person that they are going to put as the face of their campaign. So they've chosen Xolani Khumalo. Xolani Khumalo, known as X. He's famously known for his show on Moja Love TV 157. It's a show where he's fighting drugs. He's fighting against drug lords, drug peddlers, etc. So that's what has made him famous as an activist. So I'm asking you guys the question. What do you make of this move by Action SA? What do you make of this move by Action SA? But secondly, what do you make of the move by Xolani Khumalo himself? Okay, is it a master stroke for Action SA? And can it also be a master stroke for Xolani Khumalo? Okay, that's very important. So I want you guys to give me your views in the comment section. And also what you make of people who are not, your career politicians entering into politics. Simple like Herman Mashaba. Herman Mashaba is known as a businessman. But in 2016, he became the DA's mayoral candidate in the city of Joburg. Now I've got the Xolani Khumalo, who's not a career politician, joining the politics. Also in the city of Tshwane, Dr. Nasiphi Moya. She's an academic. She's not a career politician. So what do you make of these moves? My own take is that this is a brilliant move for Action SA because they've managed to catch a big fish in Xolani Khumalo, someone who resonates with the cries of the people on the ground, someone who is a face who's known to be fighting against what people on the ground are complaining about. Okay, but I cannot say that is the same thing for Xolani Khumalo for him to be associated with Action SA. Okay, because of its politics and ideologies. Okay, so it is a win for Action SA. For Xolani Khumalo, I'm not too sure. Okay, but we'll see how it unfolds. The reason I'm not too sure is because of the ideological outlook of Action SA. All right, its close proximity to whiteness and such things, you see. But let us watch the space. My name is James Kosana. The name of the platform is Izwi Labansundu, the voice for Africans. Please, guys, remember, please join. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Also, remember to buy me the super thanks. Thank you very much, guys.